Mr. Ashray. This is Vicharan.
This is Gopi Krishna.
This is Manindra. We are a team of Chrysalis. We have been given a topic from Chrysalis and we have used the software Flash to make an animation, and we have used another software called Windows Movie Maker.
Today our topic is water conservation. We will convey you in a different manner that what is water conservation, why do we conserve water, and uses of water conservation.
Now we shall know about what is water conservation and what are the uses of water conservation.
Water conservation. The management of water in order to use in the succeeding age is known as water conservation. Simply, conservation is nothing but saving. Nowadays, usage of water is increased immensely. So, we cannot conserve water nowadays. So, who will provide us water in the future? Let us think about it further.
Nowadays, we can observe many organizations of water conservation. Why is it happening so? Even in the advertisement, we can see many organizations ending the concept of water conservation. Why did actually concept of water conservation arise?
And the main reason to arise the concept of water conservation is water pollution. What is water pollution? Contamination of water bodies is called water pollution. It's a hazardous and formidable act done by humans. How is water getting polluted nowadays? See, farmers, you can see farmers are using high chemicals to increase the production in our country. So the chemicals would mix into the soil, and when it rains, the chemicals get amalgamated into the rainwater, and this rainwater mixes into the rivers and oceans. Even the small quantity of the chemical could spread the whole lake and could contaminate the whole lake. And we all say that humans are intelligent, right? But I don't say that, because humans are selfish. Because we pollute water and we make the animals to die. We are not making our fellow animals to live. And how can we tell that we are intelligent?
Now you can see here the table of water pollution. This is the table which tells the seriousness and distressfulness of the water pollution of different countries which are mainly encouraging the water pollution in our world. We can first going to India. We are happy to tell that India is in average pollution in water pollution. And Peru. It is the main country which is encouraging water pollution. You cannot even see a single natural peak or natural view in Peru. So I tell you that save water and save world. Reduce water pollution. Why do we conserve water? Conservation of water intends conservation of water, using water wisely and carefully for its property. Since all of us reckons on water to live on this earth, we have a great obligation to know about water conservation and why do we conserve water. Since God gifted us 80% of water on this earth, 3% of water is desirable to drink, and in that 3%, 2% of water was messed up with ice, and what is remained? 1%. What can we do with 1%? We are contaminating and we are polluting that water. So we must save water for the future generations, and we must save water and we must conserve water.
We need to conserve water now for the future. The quality of the water is important. What is the foundation of food and life? Next to the air, what is the most precious resource? And if you conserve the water or save water, there will be no water pollution further. If we save water, there will be no drought years in the future. Now my friend will explain you what are the uses of water conservation.
Uses of water conservation. Water is a vital to life. All the living things would die if it weren't for water. And also nowadays we are using water for industries, and also not only industries and many other things. In industries, by using water in industries, we can generate electricity and transport goods by people and etc. And also daily we use about 100 to 150 liters of water. In India there are most probably 1 to 2 crores of population. Nearly, that means
30 crores of population uses about 100 to 150 gallons. So we should conserve water for our daily uses. These outdoor things are commonly estimated in India.
Now I will tell you some of the tips that you follow at home so that the water will be conserved. Check faucets and drills for leaks. Don't use your washroom as the waste basket. While you are brushing teeth, don't let the water flow down so that the 5 gallons of the water will be wasted.
So we have to save the water and save the life. Our main motto is to get you inspired by this video, and we have another video.
And just watch the 1.5 minute video that changes your mindset. And this is in Suryapet. We have made a short film, and see and inspired by it.
What a wonderful evening. You can see this view is so fine. This view can make our mind fresh and energetic. Such kind of views are really rare in our country because water is getting polluted and we don't conserve water. If we conserve water, we can see such kind of views, such pleasant views. You can see such a wonderful scene in front of your eyes. This is because the water is not getting polluted. But nowadays we are polluting water with pollutants.
The reckless disease. If this continues, India will still be as developing country. See the water, it is so much polluted. This is due to pollution by the pollutants. If this continues, the world won't be alive and the world will be destroyed soon. Observe the wastage of water. This is one of the drainages in the Suryapet, which is being polluted by us. This is because of lack of conservation of water.
This is because of lack of conservation of water. This is one of the drainages in the Suryapet. You can see here, if this continues, the world will be destroyed within soon. This is in Suryapet, then what about the world? Think about it. So conserve your surrounded area and conserve water. And the main motto of Chrysalis is to spread the topic given to the certain class. The topic given to us is flash. For example, we will show you how flash is used and the options in flash. This is one example animation.
Corresponding sir to conduct such programs in school.